Hello everyone, thanks for staying with me. I noticed that when I reinstall Photoshop on my PC, I faced some problems. Here is one of that. When you try to access the performance preferences, Photoshop displays the error message. Well, I found the solution. Today I'm going to discuss that. This issue appears after updating your operating system to Windows 10 Creators Update. Generally, when you encounter any of the following errors, you may want to follow my steps. This issue has been fixed in Photoshop CC 19.1.5 June 2018 release. But if you have the older version, then follow me. Press Windows plus R keys to bring up the Run dialog. Type regedit.x and then press Enter. If you are prompted for an administrator password or for confirmation, type the password or provide confirmation. In the Registry Editor window, navigate to the folder path. Here, check which version you have. Make a new D word. If there is any previous D word, then delete that. Enter the value of your RAM in megabytes. Make sure you select the decimal option. Now close Regedit and open Photoshop. Check the preferences. Now the problem is solved. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.